So our company, Primoris Services, we do credit card payment processing for insurance companies primarily. Our company started using FusionReactor about 8 years ago, and it's been a fantastic product for our organization. Getting FusionReactor installed is pretty trivial. I mean, it just takes a few minutes to get it installed, and then using it, it's pretty intuitive to use it at the first time, but you need to get to know it really well to get really proficient with it at some point. I use FusionReactor to find problems that are going on. Typically with your application, you're going to run into certain bottlenecks and you don't know why they're being caused. So being able to actually see the database connections that are being made and the SQL calls that are being made have been invaluable in finding out where the slowness is in the programs, be able to monitor the speed of the application and to proactively fix problems before they become apparent to the customer. So my favorite FusionReactor feature has got to be the database, the slow running database queries, because typically that's where our bottlenecks seem to happen, is in the database transactions. So being able to see a history of things that were running at the same time has helped me resolve a myriad number of deadlock issues that otherwise I would have just been guessing were happening. Yeah, so before FusionReactor, we basically would do a database insert at the beginning of a request and the database insert at the end of the request and measure the difference in the time to see pages that were taking a long time. That was okay, but with FusionReactor, I can see in real time what's taking a long time to run. I can look through the history and see things that are taking longer at certain periods of time that shouldn't be. So miles ahead of what we used to do. So the biggest benefit from using FusionReactor, I mean, it is a huge financial savings. Our customers should not have to tell us that there's a problem with their software. We need to know in advance. So being able to be alerted when certain conditions are being met, it just makes it so much better when you can inform the customer that you already know about the issue, you're on top of it, and you can resolve it sometimes even before they're aware of it.